Beginning entrepreneurs learned their ideas may need legal protection. Entrepreneurs must decide what form of IP protection to achieve, whether it's patents, trade secrets, trademarks, or copyrights. Patrick Reynolds, the Vol Court speaker for this session, emphasized the importance of different protection on inventions. If entrepreneurs decide the patent is best suited for their invention, then it excludes others from making, using, or selling their creation. This patent will cover the protection of the product for 20 years. Reynolds gives us a personal example on how he felt towards a patent on his own invention.
For being able to protect and patent the technology I was working on, and that if I wanted to do it on my own, I could do that. If I wanted to drop $20,000, $30,000 on something that would probably go nowhere. So it kind of got me interested in this space and learning more about if you're trying to embark on commercializing something, knowing up front what your options are and where a door is opening or where it might be closing, better to move on.
Patent applications allow the placeholder to get a filing date without formal requirements. This is what patent pending refers to. Another common protection for products and services is a trademark. These trademarks distinguish a specific product or service from others in the marketplace. Famous trademarks are Nike, Coca-Cola, and Google. Reynolds explains there are some bad effects of trademarks, though.
That's also part of, I won't go down this rabbit hole, but why a lot of drug companies have ridiculous sounding names, because it's not something that's going to be just commonly used for something else. It's going to be very specific to that one particular drug.
The last protection policy that Reynolds educated the entrepreneurs on was a copyright. This is a form of protection for original works of authorship that have been expressed in a physical form and lasts for the life of the author plus 70 years. This does not protect against other people developing the same work independently, though. Entrepreneurs should register for a copyright to establish a public record of the copyright claim or to be able to bring an infringement lawsuit. Reynolds gives an example on why this is important.
Arbitrary how you figure that out. Versus if you have a registered copyright, you're entitled to statutory damages and attorney's fees instead of just having to calculate all that. So basically, you can get a lot more money if you sue somebody and win if you have a registered copyright.
This Vol Court session was valuable for entrepreneurs to better understand the protections available to use for their created products and services. Hunter Nash, a UT business student, explained why Vol Court was important to him.
I hope to come up with something I'm always kind of thinking of different ideas that might work as becoming an entrepreneur and developing my own business. So yeah, I think that there's five speaker sessions and they're all kind of over different aspects of starting your own business. So I think that, I think even if I don't take notes or I don't, but I think that something will resonate in my mind and plant a seed into thinking about the right things.
Vol Court meets on Wednesdays in Haslam Building 104.